Pratik C. Basically, I'm a mechanical engineering graduate. I was graduated in the year 2021. After working for 2 years in mechanical industry, I was unhappy with my career growth. So I was seeking help to get into the IT industry. I was scrolling through Google and I got Awdiz Institute advertisement. I went through it and I have pursued Windows admin course. After pursuing that Windows admin course, after 3 months I got a job in IT industry as a IT executive with a package of 3 LPA. So if anybody is seeking help to get into the IT industry, they can reach out to Awdiz Institute. They can take help from Fitness. He will guide you till end. So thank you.